Welcome back to my channel, guys. So it's been a long time that I did this kind of sit down vlog. So today I say let me bring it back again. So it has been voiceover all this while. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys the view of the newly completed Onitsha hospital, Fegge specialist hospital. Though it's a kind of a very short form video, because the last time I visited, I was stopped from entering the inside by one security like that or something. No, I gain access into the inside premises, but I was not allowed to film the video. So that is how I ended up filming only the outside, and they also get a glimpse of the inside, but also get a full view with my eyes. So this last time that I visited, this particular one that I'm showing you guys is also a kind of similar thing. This one, the place has been completed, do a lot of other finishing touches are being done over there, like planting of flowers at the outside the gate, and the other minor things that has been done inside that place, which I could not get to view that very much. So this particular one, I was not stopped by anyone. What happened is that when I visited the location, I noticed that the gate was locked. The gate was locked, and nobody was on site. I could not see any security, I could not see anybody, so the gate was locked. That is the main reason. So, and I cannot go there and come back empty handed, so I have to stay on the outside and also film like the way I did the previous time I visited this location. But on my way going back, I saw something which I'm not sure if I captured them on this video. The thing is, I think they mounted CCTV camera not just inside the hospital, but before the hospital also, because the hospital is located, the frontage is at Pema Street, while the back side of it is at Abagana Street. So at that Abagana Street, going down a little, you're gonna see the CCTV, and I believe the CCTV was mounted for that because of the hospital. Because this is my first time of seeing that. The one I saw previous time I visited was the one right inside the hospital. I did not see that particular one. So but this time around I saw that one, and is for everywhere you see CCTV cameras is just for security purpose. So the hospital has been completed but not yet functional, you understand. So it has been completed, and other finishing touching are currently going on that place. So the thing I noticed when I visited is that like I said in my last video, water was provided for them, and I think inside that place it has a little space. It is small but not that very small. At least they have a little space for maybe car park or any other thing within the hospital premises, inside the hospital. And another thing I so much really love about what they did there is that they also provided them with solar energy. Solar panel we are seeing on the top of the roof, so they were provided with solar energy for backup, for electricity backup. Very necessary, because around that area, or should I say entirely, it's just a kind of common problem every Nigerian faces every day. So it's a kind of epileptic power supply every time. So alternative power supply has been provided for that hospital. So that is one of the things I really love about the place. So the hospital has been completed. I'm hoping that one day I will visit again, and this time around I will be allowing to have access to that building. So this time around is just an outside. It's just like the same challenges I'm facing when I visit the government house. So it's always the outside. But we are just starting, but one day we will get there. So one day we will be having access to some of those places, because normally when we visit, you will meet some security guys who will end up not allowing you to film, even though the videos are everywhere online. And when you try to tell them, they will say blah blah blah, which I cannot share publicly here. So that is just it. So this is all I have concerning this particular hospital for now. So it has been completed, and the other finishing touches are currently going on over there. So I also capture, there's a kind of samples in the front of the gate. I capture them, you might have seen them, or I will show you again. So I capture something is written on it, you can read them through and the rest. So I'm hoping that very soon, when equipment and workers are made available, the hospital will kickstart. So that is all I have for you guys concerning this particular hospital. So in case if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly do so, and kindly click on the thumb up button, which is the like button, and don't forget to share the video and other previous video. And this time around, I want to use this opportunity to chip in something before we end in the video. Our update for this January is gonna be a little bit shaky, though I will try my best to also try and be updating you guys from time to time, but it's not gonna be steady anymore due to some sort of financial issues and chances and the rest. So that is just it, because I used to tell you guys, covering this video cost us a lot. We don't reside in all these locations we visit. We travel from our locations to all those places to go and do the filming. So it's kind of travel vlog though. So doing a travel vlog costs a lot. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and do have a wonderful day. And don't forget to give us your comments via the comment sections. Thank you. Have a lovely day, guys.